Discover the beauty of the Turkish language. Learn with passion. Grow with knowledge. Turkish Language Academy. Learn Turkish with us.
Difference between Rakam, Sayı, Miktar, and Numara. Finally clear. Have you ever wondered why Rakam, Sayı, Miktar, and Numara all mean number in English, but cannot be used the same way in Turkish? If you mix them up, don't worry, almost everyone does. Today, I will explain this topic once and for all, simply, clearly, and with real examples. Let's start. Part 1. Rakam. First word, Rakam. Rakam means a single digit, only one digit. In Turkish, there are only 10 rakamlar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Example, 5 bir rakamdır. 5 bir rakamdır. 5 is a digit. Another example, bu sayıda 3 rakam var. Bu sayıda 3 rakam var. There are 3 digits in this number. Telefon numarandaki rakamları yanlış yazmışım. Telefon numarandaki rakamları yanlış yazmışım. I wrote the digits of your phone number incorrectly. Every rakam is part of a sayı, but not every sayı is a rakam. Now let's move to the second word, sayı. Sayı means a number made of one or more digits. This is the word we use for counting, mathematics, statistics, age, quantity, totals. Example, bu sayı çok büyük. Bu sayı çok büyük. This number is very big. Another example, öğrenci sayısı arttı. Öğrenci sayısı arttı. The number of students increased. And bu sayı 3 rakamdan oluşuyor. Bu sayı 3 rakamdan oluşuyor. This number consists of 3 digits. Sayı is about mathematical value, not identity. Third word, Miktar. Miktar means amount or quantity. It answers one question, how much? We use miktar for food, money, water, medicine, time. Example, az miktarda su iç. Az miktarda su iç. Drink a small amount of water. Another example, belli bir miktar para lazım. Belli bir miktar para lazım. A certain amount of money is needed. And ilaç miktarını aşma. İlaç miktarını aşma. Do not exceed the dosage. Miktar answers how much, not which number. And now the most misused word, numara. Numara is not about quantity, it is about identity. We use numara for phone numbers, house numbers, seat numbers, shoe sizes, student IDs. Example, telefon numaran verir misin? Telefon numaran verir misin? Can you give your phone number? Another example, ayakkabı numaram 40. Ayakkabı numaram 40. My shoe size is 40. Numara identifies. It does not count. Common mistake. Learners commonly say, "Bu rakam çok büyük," which is totally wrong, while the correct sentence is, "Bu sayı çok büyük." Bu sayı çok büyük. Because rakam cannot be big, it's only a digit. Other examples are, "Telefon sayımı yaz" is incorrect, while "Telefon numaramı yaz" is correct. Telefon numaramı yaz. Bu miktar kaç is incorrect, while bu miktar ne kadar is correct. Bu miktar ne kadar? Similarly, ayakkabı sayım 40 is incorrect, while ayakkabı numaram 40 is correct. Ayakkabı numaram 40. Target one-line memory trick. Let's remember this with one simple trick. Rakam builds sayı. Digits build numbers. Sayı counts. Miktar measures. Numara identifies. If this lesson helped you, like the video, comment below, and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy for more clear and easy Turkish lessons. See you in the next video.